Can children use the soap trick safely for minor drains when guided by an adult? The soap trick involves using a bar of soap shaved or rubbed into the drain, or pour a small amount of liquid soap to lubricate and help dislodge mild clogs and slow drains. For family-friendly use, teach children to have an adult measure and handle any pouring so they do not spill or get soap in their eyes. Use a gentle dish soap or a mild laundry soap rather than concentrated industrial cleaners, and only a small amount enough to coat the pipe opening or to mix with warm water. Avoid hot, boiling water, which can scald or damage some pipes and fixtures. Demonstrate the whole process first, including how to angle the container when pouring and how to wait quietly for the soap to do its work for several minutes before flushing. Emphasize simple hygiene steps like rinsing hands and wiping surfaces after the task, and keeping soap pieces and tools out of reach after use. If the drain is slow, rather than fully blocked, repeat the procedure once more and then stop. And if there is still poor flow, call a professional, since some clogs require tools or disassembly to clear safely. Common mistakes include using too much soap, which can create a slippery mess and lead to an overflow if children flush aggressively. Prevent that by limiting the amount to a small spoonful or a few shavings and supervising the flushing step. Another issue is pouring hot or boiling water, which risks scalding and can damage certain plastic pipes. Avoid that by using comfortably warm water and explaining to kids why hot liquids are off limits. A third concern is trying the trick on a fully blocked drain or one that backs up into fixtures and causes overflow. Stop and call an experienced plumber if water is not draining after a gentle attempt, so the problem is not worsened or contaminated. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners and contractors connect around home repair topics like safe, child-friendly fixes. Our site helps people find local professionals and join a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade practical advice.